Hey my divas, welcome to my channel. One of the most asked questions I seem to get from my friends, my family, my followers on Facebook is, what is the best beginner kit that I can get to start doing nails? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain it all to you starting now. Yes, this is like the most asked question in the nail starting universe. So what I would suggest is to start off with one of the kits off of Amazon. This is the kit I first received. This is the Beetles Gel Polish Kit. It came with a 48-watt lamp. It came with the base gel, the matte top gel, and the top gel. No wipe, soak off, LED UV top coat. It came with these brushes, fingernail clippers, files, cuticle pusher, cuticle oil, toe separators, and 6 different colors in these wonderful 7.3 milliliter bottles. Not your little teeny tiny bottles, but a good sized bottle of nail polish. So this is what I would suggest for you to get to start off with, because gel polish is the best thing for you to start working with. I wouldn't suggest you jumping straight into acrylics or poly gel or builder gel or any other type of nail enhancement before you get gel polish application down packed. Now, one thing this kit is missing that you definitely have to purchase is your nail prep dehydrator and a nail primer. You definitely need these two products in order to get your gel manicure or any type of nail enhancement to stay put. And this Model 1's primer is actually an acid primer. And I found that acid primers work much better than the non-acid primers, because for some reason, when I was using a non-acid primer, my nails would just pop off and my gel polishes would just peel off. I know it had a lot to do with my prep, like I say all the time, but it also had a lot to do with my products, my lamp, and my application, because I was flooding my cuticles, I was hitting my sidewalls on my fingernails, and they would just not stay put over a day or two. So this is what you absolutely need to get started. The reason this kit is so amazing is because you get everything in this one swoop except for the primer and dehydrator. You get your lamp. This is a decent quality lamp. It's only 48 watts, but that's like your base wattage you want to get in a lamp. You want to get at least 48, 72 is better, 120 is the best. And I also have a link for the sun lamp that I got off of Amazon. Very amazing deal, very amazing price, and it's amazing quality. So I will have this kit linked down in the description below in case you want to get this exact one. But there are so many other ones that are pretty much just as good as this kit. I will link some of those down there too, because sometimes you can go on Amazon and find these at a very good deal. I know I paid like $25 for my whole kit, and that was like on a steal, on a sale. So you can find those type of sales at various times. But I also would like to encourage you to go over to my Facebook group. That'll be linked in the description box below also. And there I will keep you up to date with all of the sales and deals that I find, because I'm always on Amazon looking for a deal, you know? So I will keep you up to date over there on all the deals and steals that I find on nail supply. So go over there, join me over there on Facebook. Check the description out. So I've showed you what products are the best for you to get started doing nails. That's if you want to start doing acrylics, poly gel, hard gel, builder gel, whatever kind of nail enhancement. I recommend you to start with a gel polish kit, just a regular gel polish kit, so you can work on your application and get that down. This way you won't frustrate yourself and just be ready to quit when you have a more difficult product to work with and you're just not getting it. So I worked with the gel polish. I worked with the gel polish for a couple of weeks before I ordered my poly gel. And it was so much easier because I was already kind of used to applying gel and getting it right, not hitting the cuticle and sealing the cuticle and all that kind of stuff. Now, I will discuss in a separate video those terms. There are a lot of terms that nail techs and nail gurus use that are kind of confusing, like seal the cuticle and encapsulate and all that kind of stuff. So I will talk about those in the next video. So right now, I would like to share with you a few more essentials that I feel are essentials in your nail journey. If you want to do your own nails, these are a few things that I feel you need to get ASAP. I know most people are like, no, I do not need a nail drill. I do not need a flash curing lamp, and I do not need a practice hand because I don't need to practice on anything but myself. But here is the reason I say you need these things. Number one, a practice hand. Me, myself, I don't plan on becoming a nail tech. I don't plan on doing anyone else's nails except for maybe my friends, close friends, my family, and so forth. But other than that, I'm not planning on going to open a nail business. So the only nails I'll be practicing on is mainly myself and maybe a few others. But you know, practice makes perfect. And if you keep continuing to practice, you're going to get better. And it's not all the time like this set that I have on right now on my fingernails, they've been on for over 2 weeks. So what am I going to practice on? I'm not going to take these nails off just so that I can practice on some new stuff. But I have this practice hand so that when I have new goodies or I have an idea or I want to try something, try poly gel or demonstrate it, I can use my practice hand. And this was only $5 on Amazon. Check out the link below. I would have it in the description for you if you would like to pick one up. They are so inexpensive. And I also have a video showing you how to apply the nails to it, how to prep the nails. We're going all in over here on Natural Niecy Nails, okay? So get yourself a practice hand so that you can practice on your craft. So you can practice on gel polish and whatever else you would like to practice on so that you won't have to keep doing your nails or taking your nails off or just messing with your hand or finding someone to practice on. You eliminate all that pressure when you get yourself just an inexpensive little practice hand. The next thing I feel is so super essential is a flash curing lamp. Now, you have your regular big lamp that you do your complete curing in, but this, I didn't realize how important this was in my nail journey. This is to quickly cure your polish or your gems or whatever you want to stay in put, because a lot of times you'll do one finger and then you'll start painting the rest of your fingers, but that one finger has moved into the side walls and into the cuticle, and now you have a flooded cuticle. So you can flash cure your nails, your nail polish, or your gems. You might put some gems down, and then after a few seconds, they move somewhere else. Flash cure it. And this is only like $3 on Amazon or any other site that you might can find them on. Now, last but not least, nail drills. I know you're like, no, nail drills are unnecessary. I can do it with my file. I'm scared of those things. Trust me, I was the exact same way. I was like, there's no way, no how I'm going to be using a nail drill, because that's the reason why I'm not going to the nail salon now, because they use that drill on my natural nails and they cause them to be weak and paper thin, and I hate it. Okay. But in actuality, I don't use these drills on my natural nails. Well, like they use it at the nail shop. Like I would never use a sanding band to rough up my nail bed to take the shine off. I would never do that on my natural nails. I only use on my natural nails maybe the diamond bit for the cuticles to either seal the cuticles or to remove cuticles. Now, I will have a video coming up how I do that. I have found the secret, guys. Yes, my divas, I finally understood after watching so many YouTube videos, after looking at so many posts on Facebook, I'm finally understanding how to get my manicures to last way longer than 3 or 4 days. Now we're talking 3 or 4 weeks, okay? So you need a drill so that you can remove the gel polish faster. I have a video on that showing how to remove gel polish in 2 minutes. I would sit sometimes just soaking and soaking and soaking and soaking, and it just like the gel polish was not coming off. This will save your life. And I will explain to you in another video what type of drill you need if you're having a hard time handling the drill. I know a lot of people complain the drill just runs away from me and I'm just not good at using a drill. Well, if I can do it, anyone can do it. So I will share you some of my tips and tricks of using a nail drill. But these nail drills, they do something that a regular file just cannot do. They can help seal your cuticle. They can also remove your nail enhancements so much faster so that you won't have to spend all your time soaking and soaking and soaking away. So there have it. I just shared with you all of the essentials you need to get started in your nail journey. Whether you plan on doing acrylics, like I said, or polygel or hard gel or builder gel or whatever it is that you plan on doing to your nails, start off with these products and you will set yourself up for success. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this comment. If you would like to request any type of video that you would like to see from me, just put it in the comments below and make sure you consider subscribing to the channel so that I can know that you're enjoying this content. And don't forget to check out this video right here where I explain to you how to do different things with tips, tricks, and hacks that you can understand even better how to make your nails beautiful, my divas. So I will see you in the next episode. Stay beautiful, my divas. See you later.